Hello everyone, my name is Sipo Dlamini and welcome to my presentation for Assignment 6 of BPT1501. Today I'll be demonstrating how I use a simple whiteboard as an innovative and flexible teaching tool to explain the concept of short division to learners. This tool supports deep learning, engagement, critical thinking, and makes learning both accessible and fun. So what is short division? Short division is the simplest form of long division, where we divide larger numbers using mental math skills and fewer writing steps. For example, we have 663 divided by 3. So we write the bigger number on the right and smaller number on the left. So we are going to say 3 divided by 6. So how are we going to get our answer? So in a simplest way, we are going to do the multiples of 3. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we are going to count our steps that we did to reach 6 is 1, 2. So 3 divided by 6 is 3. 3 divided by 6 is 2. So I'm going to take 2. So where are we going to write our 2? We are going to write our 2 on top of 6. So here we write our 2. So again we are going to do 3 divided by 6. So how many times does 3 goes into 6? So we are going again to do the multiples of 3. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 1 is going to be 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is going to be 6. So we are going to count our steps is 1, 2. So our answer here is 2. So we are going to write our 2 on top of 6. So we are going again 3 divided by 3. So what is 3 divided by 3? So 3 divided by 3. What is 3 divided by 3? So 3 multiplied by 1 is going to be 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So our answer is going to be 1. So here is where we write 1 on top of 3. On top of 3. So our answer is 221. So 663 divided by 3 is going to be 221. So to verify, we are going to do the multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So our answer is going to be 221. It is correct. So in breaking down, so when we are breaking down, we are going to break down 663 into its units, tens, and hundreds. So now we are going to do it with 600. We are going to divide each digit by digit. So 600 divided by 3 plus 60 divided by 60 divided by plus 3 divided by 3. So now we are going to say 600 divided by 3. So 600 divided by 3 is a large number. We can do it in a simplest way. We can say 6 divided by 3. Make our zeros invincible. Make our zeros invincible. So these zeros, we make them invincible. So we do like these two zeros don't exist. We say 6 divided by 3 is going to be how much? So 6 divided by 3 is going to be, we count, is equivalent to 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So it's going to be 2. Then we take our invincible zeros, we put them here. Then we say plus 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equivalent to 3 times 1 equals to 3. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. We write our 2 here. We take our invincible 0, we put it down here. So plus 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we are going to put our 1 here. So now we are going to combine our 200 plus 20 plus 1 is going to give us 221. So our answer is 221. So with all being said, so if we multiply this by this, it's going to give us this. So this whiteboard facilitates deep learning because learners are going to see the steps and logic unfold, and learners are encouraged to predict and calculate and reflect. So when I ask 3 times 2, they are going to say it's 6. So that's how they are going to facilitate and understand what happens if the number doesn't divide evenly. So with the repetition and practice, learners that are struggling can do the steps. So well, this whiteboard is highly interactive. Learners can write their own steps. They can also play division games where I can ask who can solve 96 divided by 3 fastest. So learners can challenge each other and play and explain their thinking. This can boost the participation and builds confidence and promotes peer learning. So this is accessible to everyone. It's free of no charges. Learners of all backgrounds can relate, and it can use different colors. So it's fun to erase and try again if there was where they made a mistake. So the sources that I used were from Khan Academy for method of teaching short division visual, and for curriculum I used the CAPS document. Thank you. I hope you